Alright, everybody. We are going to trade a sort of new but old favorite altcoin. It's called OXT. OST. OXT. And we are going to practice trading it. I'm going to add up my wins and losses at the end of this, and we're going to get a realistic estimate of how much one could make if they were able to get those kind of returns over the period of a year. And we're doing this on the 1 hour chart, and I'm just going to go back in time for a while and pick kind of a random place. We're going to retrade that. We're replaying time as if it were current. There we go. And I'm going to write down my gains and losses, figure out the ratio, figure out the daily average, win percentage, and the 1 year rate estimate. Alright. So this is looking a little bit triangle-y. Is it going to go up? Not quite there yet. I think this is going to oh man, see, I was gonna go there. Yeah, I don't want to do that now. To explain that, this looked like a triangle formation. Let's draw some lines. And that candle basically broke out of it. So it looked like it was going to hit the next level of resistance at least. This broke above that line. Alright. This is not super telling right now. Gonna wait for the ADX to start looking good. It's supposed to be uptrending, hopefully above that line. It's kind of nice when it's green. I don't know, this is looking kind of good. No. Oh man, I was going to go down to that middle line, but this is a pretty solid sign right here. Even without the ADX, which is starting to point up a little bit. Let's make that middle line the provisional stop loss and go for like that. And when I say midline, like there. Let's do the box here. Yeah, we'll get out there. So that's 145. That was a short, for anyone that doesn't know. Yeah, it did go down to my number. Kind of wish I would have stayed in. That would have been 3 something. But you do what you do. Not enough. This, I bet it's going to hit that line. How much is that? 27. I will risk I will risk 0.3. Let's actually risk that much. Okay. Well, that wasn't good. But it was only 0.26, which is really not very much. See, it did go up to that line. It wanted to. Yeah, not enough there. Yeah, this just isn't looking good enough. If we had some really dramatic upward movement, maybe we'd be in business. Like a big spike. And that... it's even above that. I don't know. The volume's not telling me the story, and this isn't enough. Maybe this is. It's a red, green, red. Did it stop? Yeah. What do we do? How much is this? I'm not doing it. What is that? Yeah. That's why we didn't take it. But this is going down again. Yup. Broke through all that stuff fairly easily. Increasing volume. And it was about to turn. Maybe should have went for it. Yeah, okay. It's getting stuck in here. But alright. This broke through so many moving averages is the only thing. This is humongous, but let's go for that middle line right here, provisional stop loss. One more. One more. Yes. Yeah. 223. Making some money with Ox. You know what? That's just very solid. Let's actually not stop there. No, actually let's stop there. Yeah. Yeah, I thought about getting in on that. Oscillator just didn't look good. This is the 1 hour chart. It's probably not going to be the best rate I've ever achieved. Alright. About to get across there. That's the MACD. Increasing volume. This is kind of leveling out. What does this actually look like? I think we'll try it. Let's say that middle line. It's only like 1%. And let's go for like that. didn't quite make it to where the middle line was, but I think I'm getting out of this. 8-2. Yeah, that's why. Oh, man. We start getting green candles. Nope. This is doing some wild stuff right here. I bet this is going to go up. Yep. Man, it broke above all this stuff. I don't feel it. Oh, man. Oh, it would have worked. Is this really looking like a trend? No. Yep. Alright. Alright. We're doing it. We're going for it. Yeah. Yes. That hit the target. 187. Whew. How long is this video? I bet it's gonna go up again. Man, I should have actually done that. I don't know why I said that. Alright. How much is this? Let's bet 1% that it goes up there. Yes! 217! You know what? I'm ending it there. But I didn't have to. It's going parabolic, baby. Look at that. Yeah, it's hitting those Fibonacci's like almost perfectly. Let's see what the next candle does. Man, I should have just went for it. Yeah, alright, we're done with this. It's hard to know how to hold them, how to fold them. 9th of March, 3/9/21. 3 of 9. 21. Oh, I forgot to write down the thing. How did we... I think it was the 28th of February. Let's see if it looks familiar. I could just replay this video. Yeah, I could have sworn this was like... Do I remember this? I don't know. I remember it going sideways for a long time. Now, I don't remember this. Yeah, I don't know. I should have written it down. I was thinking it was 228. Alright, the reason that's important is because we need to figure out the ratios and stuff here. Alright, so that's 7 point, rounding up, 1.5 to 1. And per day, it has been, that's 9 days, basically. So it's 0.73% per day, which is kind of not the best, but it's pretty good. So 88% basically win percentage. Alright, so per day we're going to do a realistic estimate. Per day it's 73.78 basically, divided by 2. Now I use 3x leverage, which means you can triple those gains. So it's 11067. So my rate will be 1.1067 daily for a year, compound interval daily, and that's turning 10,000 into 545,000 or 555,000 with the principal. Not bad. The reason this is lower than previous times is because it's 1 hour and it's not a weird meme like actually I did pretty good on SHIB. For like a normal currency, that's pretty typical. I guess this is a really weird altcoin. I don't know. If I had just held on to a couple of those, it would have been way bigger. But yeah, so that's Ox, and I'm glad that we could share this time together. OXT, altcoin traders.